Welcome back, YouTubers and investment enthusiasts. This is Johnny, and I'm going to show you my top 3 picks for October as far as stocks go, and the reasons why. So I am a trend trader. I like to follow trends, and I'm a reactive trader, meaning I like to react to what the charts are telling me. I don't want to predict, never say, oh, I think this is going up, oh, I think this is going down. I don't watch CNBC, Mad Money, that sort of thing. It is interesting to pay attention to some of that stuff, but in my opinion, it just clouds your judgment. Follow where the money's going, and what the charts are telling you is basically how I've been able to make money. So AT&T is my first pick, and the reason why is we've been in a downtrend for a while, and we can finally see this 200-day moving average, which is this blue line. The teal line is the 5-day. The next one is the 20-day, and then the 50-day is the green. But this 200-day is important for me because it is telling me that this is a potential breakout into an uptrend, a bullish trend. So if it can hold over this 200-day for the next couple days, opening and closing, that is a good buy for me to call. I'm looking at the 33 to 34 call options on this one. About 45 days to expiration is what I'm looking at. And with the relative strength index, there's good buying power coming in here. It is not an overbought territory, which is telling me that this is moving in the right direction. So moving on is USO, United States Oil Fund. And for me, we just got out of some overbought territory, which we had a pullback here. So, and this one is right around its 52-week high. I do like to follow stocks that are at getting close to their 52-week highs, and you're probably asking why. You're going to buy high and yada yada yada. So I don't like to hold on to long positions, or I like to hold on to cash. I like to make cash. So the trend, anytime there's a new 52-week high and it keeps hitting a new 52-week high, I like to try to hop on board and just kind of hop on the cruise ship and just cruise along with it. I don't want to be trying to catch up or vice versa. And then I try to get off once my trailing stops are hit. So anyway, not what this video is about. So United States Oil Fund, it is in a trending market. It is going up. We've got our 200-day, our 50-day, and our 20-day and our 5-day. So it's staying above there. So I like this. It is looking as if it's going in the correct direction because it's close to its 52-week high. This to me is one to keep a close eye on. And then my last one is actually Apple. Apple's has gone up tremendously. Apple is up 50% just this year alone. It's not quite. A couple days ago, it hit its 52-week high of 233, and then it proceeded to pull back from there. So I am honestly waiting for a pullback to this 20-day moving average. And if it can bounce off this 20-day moving average as it's done in the past, as we can see, bounce, bounce, under, off. I don't know if there's much more examples of it bouncing off. Here's another one. Bounce, So if it can do that, that is a buy signal for me. And again, we're not in overbought territory. And as far as my moving average, convergent, divergent, it had a signal of the crossover, the signal line here, which is this orange line, this blue line, and meaning that anytime it's over that, it appears the trend is staying with it where it's going up. Here it crosses over and the price goes up. Here it crosses over, price goes up, crosses below, price is going down, that sort of thing. So easy 5-minute video. Those are my top 3 growth stocks for October that I am looking at buying near, short, vertical call options. So thanks, guys.